The review of MOSEN Music electric drum set. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. Here is the user manual. This is drum pad, snare and tom, accessories, headphones, drum module, cymbal, pedal and kick, and drum stand, drum pad, snare and tom, drum pad, cymbals, drum module, pedal and kick, accessories. What we have in the box: we are done with the installation. Let's go ahead and test it out. Here are the headphones if you want to use this without the speaker right there. That's my speaker. You can use that, or you can use this. There is only one thing over here for the volume. I'm not gonna use the headphones right now. I'm just gonna use the speaker. Let's go ahead and test it out. I'm using this speaker instead of using headphones. Here is the aux cable, and these are the other inputs. Change the parameter to get the different type of music. Then we have the kit, trigger, voice, and song. Let's go ahead and test the songs. Here is the volume. There are different types of songs. There are 10 songs, and we can go ahead and stop it. Let's go ahead and change it. Almost 20. And even we can put this click, and you can change the tempo. We have also two things right there. You can use your feet. Here is the record button. If you want to record it, go ahead and play. Right now it is recording. Let's go ahead and see. See, it's recorded already. I can definitely suggest this product because it has 10 songs in tempo, and you can record the voice, and also it has different types of inputs you can use, and You have everything here.